complete the table of values for y equals x squared take away 3x. So if I just write that up here, y equals x squared take away 3x, and then these are our values of x for which we're going to be substituting. Remember, when you're plotting a graph, always start, when you're doing the table of values, always start from the positive end. So I'm going to put x is 4 first. So y is 4 squared take away 3 times 4, which is 4 squared is 16. Remember BIDMAS, so I've done my indices. I also need to do this multiplication here. Take away 12, which is 4. Next up, I've got, so x is 3, so y equals 3 squared take away 3 times 3. Again, BIDMAS first, no brackets, indices is 9. The multiplication becomes before subtraction, so 3 times 3 is 9, so that makes that 0. Oh, in fact, we'd already done that one. That was one that was already filled in on the graph. So we want to do 2 squared. Y equals 2 squared take away 3 times 2. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 take away 6 is negative 2. Then we're going to be doing the minus 1. So y equals minus 1 squared. Notice how I'm putting brackets because it's negatives. Take away 3 times minus 1. We just move everything up. So now I've got minus 1 squared is positive 1. Negative 3 times negative 1. Negative times negative is a positive. 3 times 1 is 3. So I'm actually doing 1 add 3, which is 4. So if I just move this back down again. So now I've filled in my table. Now I need to plot my points. So I'm going to have the coordinates corresponding to the x and the y. So for example, this coordinate here would be 4, 4. So I've got 4, 4. 3, 0, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 0, 0. Now you should be able to see some reflection here. If we know it, if we've gone wrong, if it doesn't reflect nicely. Minus 1, 4, and minus 2, 10. And there's my smooth curve joining it all together.